start by marinating the chicken, and I'm using paprika, garam masala and salt, and I will mix it well until everything is nicely incorporated and let it rest for a few minutes. As the chicken was marinating, it was also time for my kids' evening shower. So these are their face towels. That is the shower gel that we are going to use. Body oil, we have been using a Remis, but I decided that we go back to using Vaseline. So let me bathe these guys first, then I start our dinner. I'm starting with ugali, which is a simple meal to make, to me at least. There are people I know who find it hard to make, and they even prefer making chapatis than ugali. So as the ugali cooks, I will be also preparing the other vegetables for our chicken stew.
Walk in the shadowland, nobody's innocent. Hand in mouth, we live like demons. Stuck in the phantom zone, lost in a thunderdome. Twilight ruled the day. We found the impossible, now we're unstoppable. Taking off the world beneath us. Strong under pressure, we'll make it together. Our universe will change. Freedom looking down a telescope. Starlight never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us, time to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity.
So the chicken has boiled enough. Now I'm going in with the onions, and I will add more spices, the same ones I had used earlier, that is paprika and garam masala, just to enhance the flavors. And then I will add the tomatoes, and I'm cooking on low heat.
Walk in the shadowland, nobody's innocent. Hand in mouth, we live like demons. Stuck in the phantom zone, lost in a thunderdome. Twilight ruled the day. We found the impossible, now we're unstoppable. Taking off the world beneath us. Strong under pressure, we'll make it together. Our universe will change. Freedom looking down a telescope. Starlight never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us, time to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Straight to the galaxy, faster than sanity. Left behind a land forsaken. Black holes and meteors, riding on shooting stars. Fearless like our dreams. We shoot down a satellite, wings of a butterfly. Constellations recreate and fighting for liberty. Raising the energy, burst
Once the tomatoes are ready, I will add water to make the desired amount of soup.
Dances in the silver of the night sky. Way above the clouds we will be sailing high, sailing high, sailing high. Ooh, you and me, we're gonna touch the stars, find the center of the universe. New reality in front of us, escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space.
As for the cabbage, I am using white onion, some little oil, and I'm mixing them with some nicely grated carrots. And just like what my sister is telling me, cabbage ni kushtua tu.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, slide or die, lay low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with the steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me life to find. I long for your company.
So this was supposed to be a cook and clean with me video, but you're not going to see the cleaning part because my sister has decided to help me out and she will do it off camera.
It won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine, I stay, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So, enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy.
Our food is ready and I didn't have time to serve it in a more presentable way because it was late. It was already past my baby's bedtime. So I just served it this way and it is very, very yummy.
Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Самолет несет меня, будто в кулаке зажав великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Самолет несет меня, большой стальной великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun.
So the kids have eaten and I've put them in bed and I want to make myself a cup of green tea. You know, green tea improves mental alertness, relieves digestive symptoms and headaches, and also promotes weight loss. So I'm going to take my tea as I have some little of me time.
Lost